human faces. Okay, again, their main diet. It consists of fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Okay, that's the first one. Now, their lifespan in the wild, they can live up to 8 to 10 years, but in here, they can live much longer, 15 to 20 years. Okay, one more time. Okay, everyone, how about we cheer Ollie here? Let's say, go Ollie! Go Ollie! Okay, one more time, buddy. Okay, so still a round of applause to our large build crow name, Ollie. That's okay, buddy. You can do it next time or tomorrow. Alright. Now, ladies and gentlemen, at this moment, I need an adult volunteer. So, adult volunteer who is not afraid of the birds. Raise your hands if you want to volunteer. I need an adult volunteer. Okay, so we have here volunteer staff at the Elma. Now, she'll be the one who'll pick up the volunteer and give instructions. Alright, now already have our first adult volunteer. Okay, sir. Kindly listen to Ate Elma. Stand still and don't make extra movement. Now on this side, sir. Okay, now further reminders for everyone, please sit down and do not try to reach out or touch these birds. Okay, now sir, are you ready? Now we're all set and ready. Now ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our group of Sancuñors. Now, Sancuñors are also known as sand parakeets. They are very playful, social, and have a very loud voice. They are natives to the northeastern parts of South America, like Brazil, Guyana, and Venezuela. Thank you so much, sir. You can now take your seat. How about we proceed to our next adult volunteer? Raise your hands if you want to volunteer. I need another adult volunteer. Okay. So ma'am, kindly follow Ate Elma and listen to her instructions. Alright, now ma'am, face the crowd, stand still, and smile at the camera. Now again, I need everyone's cooperation, so please supervise your kids. It is for your own safety. Now we're all set and ready. Now ladies and gentlemen, feel the love in the air as we have here our couple, Sancuñor's name, Ding and Dong. Now Sancuñors, they are monogamous type of bird, meaning they can only have one partner for a lifetime. Sana all. But when their partner dies, that's the only time that they will find another mating partner. They're also monomorphic, meaning both male and female share the same physical features. Thank you so much, ma'am. You can now take your seat. Now, friendly reminders for everyone, please turn off the flash of your phones when taking pictures or videos. Alright. Now, at this moment, I need another 2 adult volunteers. One on this side and one on the other side. Raise your hands if you want to volunteer. Now, we have here at the Alma. How about on this side? Raise your hand. Now, for our selected adult volunteers, kindly listen to our bird trainer's instructions. Alright, now we already have our 2 adult volunteers. Now, sir, kindly listen to our bird trainer's instructions. Just stand still. Okay, now sir, are you ready? How about on this side, ma'am? Are you ready? Now we're all set and ready. Now ladies and gentlemen, from our special guests from Indonesia, I want you to meet our twin Gavin Kamatune, Lilo and Luna. Now Gavin Kakatu, they are playful and curious birds. They love to explore their surroundings and meeting new friends, both humans and feathered friends. Now, Gavin Kakatu, they are natives to the Tanimbar Islands of Indonesia, or they're also called as the Tanimbar Kakatu. Now, we'll try it again one more time. In 3, 2, 1. Now, Gavin Kakatu, they're one of the smallest kakatu in the world. This bird can only grow up to 32 centimeters long, with a wingspan of 40 to 50 centimeters. Now, with proper care, these birds can live up to 60 years. So, a round of applause to our twin Gavin Kamatune, Lilo and Luna. Thank you so much to our bird trainers. Now, ladies and gentlemen, at this moment, I want you to meet again our another flying makone, Mac. Now, to complete his act, I need 3 adult volunteers. Just raise your hands if you want to volunteer. I need another 3 adult volunteers. How about on this side? Raise your hand. And at the back, we have here Mr. June. Raise your hands if you want to volunteer. Okay, so already have here 1, 2, and last one. Okay. Now just stand still and listen to our bird trainer's instructions. Also, ma'am and sir, smile at the camera. Okay, now we're all set and ready. Now, ladies and gentlemen, in 1, 2, 3. Now, this is one of their natural behaviors in the wild. They can fly between branches, leaves, and trees to navigate in the dense forest. Now, their lifespan in the wild, they can live up to 40 to 50 years. Now, their favorite food, it consists of fruits, palm fruits, nuts, and seeds. Now, we'll try it again one more time. But this time, it is your turn to count. Alright, now everyone, in 3. Now, they have a strong beak that can easily crack nuts and seeds, but an impressive bite force of 500 to 700 psi. Psi means pounds per square inch. Thank you so much to our adult volunteers. So, a round of applause to our flying makone, Mac. Thank you so much to our bird trainer. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungles of South America, let's wander in the vibrant rainforests of Brazil. As we have here our two yellow-crowned Amazon parrots named Lani and Rudy, together with their mentor, Miss Debbie. Now everyone, I want you to meet Lani and Rudy. Now, can you say hi? Now, yellow-crowned Amazon parrots are one of the most commonly kept Amazon species due to their excellent talking ability and playful nature.
That's right, and this type of birds are great at mimicking every sounds like a rooster, a cat, a dog, a telephone ringing, or even a whistle.
Alright, now let's try a rooster first. Now for the next one, it is Rudy's favorite animal sound. The sound of a dog. Now Rudy. Now for the next one is a telephone ringing. Now last one is a whistle. Great job, buddies. Now Lani and Rudy here loves to sing. Is it true, Miss Debbie?
Yes, they love to sing, but before they sing, they need to do what all singers do. They have to warm up first.
Okay, now let's do the warm-up.
Vocalization.
Now for their first song. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Whoa, whoa, yeah. I love you more than I can. One more time. Whoa, whoa, yeah. I love you more than I can. Now, before we proceed to our last song, let me ask first, who's celebrating their birthdays today? Or within this month? Raise your hands. Alright, now happy birthday to all the birthday celebrants. Now, buddies, we have a lot of celebrants here. What will we do next? Sing. One more time. Last one. Now see how talented parrots are. They can mimic sound so well because their brains are super smart. Just like how humans use their voices. So a round of applause for mimicking birds here named Lani and Rudy, and also to their mentor, Miss Debbie. Now, since you already witnessed the amazing skills